Okay, now I'm going to give you a demonstration of the Matchpoint mobile app. This is running on my iPhone 5. It is available right now on the iTunes Store. It's also available on the Google Play Store for Android devices as well, so feel free to download it and you can kind of mess around with the demo version that we have as well. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the app. And our first screen here is this is basically where you tell the application what web server you want to connect to. It will default to demo, which will take you to our demo server, but you can set to whatever you want and then save the information so you never really have to enter it again. All you'd have to do is just start the app and then hit connect. So now we're in the actual application. Obviously, if you purchase it, your version will not have this demo message on here. That's purely for our demonstration purpose. So just like the web app, this supports single sign-on service as well, where you can set whether you want all of your users to have their own AS400 login and log in using that, or to just use a user table and a common AS400 login, and then you can manage your users in that way. So let's go ahead and log into the application. And you will see that it has a lot of the same functionality that is in the regular web application. We have change requests, timesheets, its creation and editing, and then also different filtering options. But the screens have been reworked for a mobile environment. So we'll start with our change request screen. You can see we kind of narrowed down some of the information that's displayed to just show you what's really important, to where you can find what you need right away. So in our lists, we have the change request number, the description, and then their current status. If I'd like to filter that, all I have to do is hit the filter button. And you can see we have a lot of different filter options. We can filter by change request number, text in the description, statuses. There's many different options. And just like in the regular client application, all of these drop-downs are dynamically populated based on different information, whether it be based on the user, what application you currently have selected, that will load the versions, things like that. So let me just go ahead and filter on completed items, and we'll go back. And you can see we filtered only on the completed change requests. Let's go back to the filter, and let's go and clear it, and go back. And you'll see we have the same items that we had before. So let's go ahead and create a new change request. Just like in the regular client application, you're prompted to select a version. So let's go ahead and select version 3 for our test application. And let's say move button. All right, so done there. Set status to approval pending. And let's go ahead and set the tester as well. And let's hit create. And you can see we have our new item on here already. And let's go ahead and edit it. And you can see that we're protecting certain screens. This is once again based on your settings within your Matchpoint application. We have it set up to where you cannot change the description once you've created it, but once again you can switch that however you would like. So let me go ahead and actually change the tester and update. So let's go into the timesheets now. Excuse me. You can see the timesheet entries for our current user. With the mobile application, you are only able to add and edit timesheets for the current user that is logged in, but you can view time entries for other users. You just cannot edit them. So we'll go ahead and filter, and let's change the filter date to February. So everything from February to the end of the current month. And go back. And you can see we filtered out one item as well. So let's go ahead and create a new timesheet. And let's select the change request we want to apply that to. We'll go ahead and use today's date. We'll say we want to do it, we did 5 hours of general testing. Okay. And we'll go and change the billing type as well. And you can see we have our new entry, 5 hours. And we can go ahead and change that as well. I'll go ahead and say, I actually did. Sorry, wrong button. Did 6 hours. And let's go ahead and update. So that's just a basic idea of what you can do with WebClient with Matchpoint Mobile. We've done a very good job of, with the limited mobile environment like your phone, you don't want to be overloaded with a lot of information. We want to just distill it down to the most important things for you to be able to track and manage your support requests, your time sheet entries, and all of that. So thank you for watching, and have a good day.